Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss trigonometry, class 10, exercise 11.4, problem number first between second and third. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve the problems by using trigonometric identities. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problems using identities. Click this I button to learn Introduction to Trigonometry and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 11.4, problem number first between second one. Evaluate sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. So for this problem we can find the value. Let us see the solution. So second problem solution, given sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. It is of the form a plus b whole square. Already we know the formula. So what is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. This is. So this is of the form a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equal a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here we are using these two identities, algebraic identities we are using here. So A means sin square theta plus B means cos square theta plus 2 as it is A means sin theta into cos theta. This is first one. Here this one I am taking A minus B whole square means A square means sin square theta. B square means cos square theta minus 2 into A means sin theta into cos theta. So now before the bracket it is nothing sign means plus. So up to here you can see here it is of the form sin square A, we are using here identity. So cos square A equal to 1. So sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta as it is plus sin square theta plus cos square theta. That value also we are getting 1 minus this as it is 2 sin theta into cos theta. So here just once you can observe here this is plus 2 sin theta cos theta. This is minus 2 sin theta cos theta, get cancelled. What is remaining here? 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. So we got sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square value we got 2. Next question. Question number 3. Evaluate sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. Let us see third solution. So third problem, it is given sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. We know the identities. What that identities? I am writing here identity. Sec square A minus tan square A equal to 1. From here to this plus 1 you can transpose to right. This tan square A you can transpose to right, this 1 you can transpose to left. What we are getting? Sec square A minus 1 equal tan square A we are getting. One more identity I am writing here. Cosec square A minus cot square A equal 1. This 1 I am transposing to left. This minus cot square A I am transposing to right. What we are getting? Cosec square A minus 1 equal cot square A we are getting. Now sec square theta minus 1. Sec square a minus 1 value we are getting tan square a. Means instead of sec square theta minus 1 we can write tan square theta we can write into cosec square theta minus 1. It is of the form cosec square a minus 1. Means we can write cot square theta we can write. Means cot square theta. Now already we know the formula multiplicative inverse. So tan theta or tan a equal 1 by cot a. This is the formula. Tan square theta becomes 1 by cot square theta into cot square theta as it is. Cot square theta get cancelled. Means we are getting answer is 1. So sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1 value we got it 1. We have seen how to solve the problems by using trigonometric identities. In the next video, we will see same type of problems by using trigonometric identities. Do comment in the comment box if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.